There you go mga kababayan, dito tayo sa ice skating rink. Ayan. Tuto tayo mag ice skate. Ayan. Marunong daw siya mag skate to. Oh. Go around. Go around with that. Huh? Yeah, I might skate. Ayan. I don't know if I'm able to skate. Roy, pass me that one. Pass me that one. I don't know if I'm able to skate. The other one. The tall one. Ay, hala. Ah. Stay here. Hirap to. May walang practice. Hirap mag-break. Masikip to eh. Yun na, baka maano pa tayo. Ma-injured. Ayan. Dito na ako, manonood. Meron akong skate. Binigay lang to eh. Pinikap natin. Masikip. Kaya hindi ko na ginamit. Ayan. Si Roy na lang. Ayan, dito lang tayo. Dito tayo makapag-skate. Ayan. Isa man. Out. Hala. Yan, practice lang muna. Hindi tayo masanay. Masikip yung ice skate ko. Take it out. Don't know how to skate. Alright. Pagod na ako. Sakit sa paa. So how is it? Yeah? Go skate backwards. Come on. Show me your stuff, man. So you have better soccer skills when you can skate backwards. Yan, pinost ko na lang yung ice skate, no. I give up on my ice skating tawag nito, career. And fail. Hindi tayo nakapag-skate, pero enjoy naman dahil yan, nag-skate sa bunso. Ayan. Ayan. May ano rito eh, $2 per person. Tapos $5 full family, kahit ilan na yun. Para lang sa maintenance nito. Ayan. Yan, dito yung rental. Doon magbayad ng fee. Ayun, si Roy, oh. Umiikot. Parang naglalakad lang sa ice. Padulas. Ayan. Drive ko lang dito sa pag ginamit yung mic 2 tsaka tong direct to GoPro 12. Walang indicator ng volume indicator na hindi kagaya pagka gamit mo yung media hub, meron siyang volume indicator, no? Yung nag-green, nagre-red pag sobrang malakas. Ayan. Okay, go. Ang dami rin gusto matuto ng mga bata. Ang dami yung mga beginner dito. Hindi lang naman pala tayo. So, siyempre ayun, mga bata pa yung mga kasi yung magpunta siguro dito. Tayo, teenager na tayo nakarating dito sa Canada. Dun sa Nathan Phillips Square tsaka sa Mississauga, yung sa City Hall, merong ice skating rin din yun. Yan, ganyan din. Pwede kang mag ice skate o kaya rent ng skates sa Nathan Phillips Square. Yan. Ayun. Layo. Yun. Ang kaya ba? Layo. Ayan. Saan tayo? Frostbite na yung mga toes ko. How is it? You like it? Okay.
The next day.
Hello. Dito tayo sa ating gym na ginagamit. It's just start after family day yesterday. Still on medical leave. Start a day with workout treadmill just to keep us going. And then we'll take it from there. We're gonna probably do our taxes. April 30th pa naman ang last day, pero it's on our mind na pinaplanan natin gawin yun. Nandito tayo sa gym. Nandito tayo ng basketball. Yung nag all-star weekend. Nandito tayo sa ano yun? February 18, Tuesday. Bilis ng panahon. Hanggang dito sa Canada, nung bata ka, gusto mong tumanda agad. Ngayong medyo matanda ka na, gusto mong bumata naman. Tapos yung panahon is ang bilis, no? Yung sa early retirement, pinag-iisipan ko na mag-ano na lang, travel na. Kasi pagka nagtatrabaho ako, laging sumasakit yung ano ko, ang paa ko. yung mga likod ko, may mga pain na, no? It's totally different now after the accident.
Oh no!
Na whiplash and concussion. So yun yung ating nire-rehabilitate sa ating injury, on that injury. That's 2021. But parang may long-term effect sa ulo ko, sa leg ko, tsaka sa physical likod. Dahil nga after that parang stay home ka muna para kasi na-trauma ka eh. Hindi ka man lang makaalis dahil parang yung mga PTSD ba? Totoo pala yan. Yung makita mo yung yung headlight minsan parang feeling mo babangga sa'yo pag may post-trauma ka, post-stress, PSTD ba yan? PTSD, post-trauma stress disorder. And it's a real thing. I didn't know that na mangyari sa akin yun. Pagre-retire is not according to the sistema ng society, no? It's according to you. It's according to your health, your well-being, tsaka yung pag-iisip mo, no? So we don't conform to the society. Society is kumbaga nasa matrix ka, system ka, di ba? Pagka yung na-program ka ng mag-aral tapos magtrabaho ng 40 years and then retire. I don't think life is not based on that. That's conform ng society yun, ng previous generation, right? But today's times is parang with AI and everything and technology involved, you have to use those tools. Even money is a tool. You can use those tools to conform to your happiness, to your well-being internally, right? So that's what you should be conforming to. Parang ganun eh. So yan, with the strike vote what we did, I know what's gonna happen next. I'm waiting for the majority vote kung lahat nga yung nag-vote ng yes. Kasi kung no, wala kaming race. So what for po trabaho ng the same inflation as, and then more effort and more pain. So that's why it's better na talagang as long as you're still well, na kailangan mo mag-save, invest, and then fight off inflation. Yun ang kailangan mong gawin dahil I don't think it's gonna get better. I don't think it's gonna be deflation, but it's gonna always be inflation. Padagdag yung mga tao sa mundo. So mas maraming supply, yung demand sa resources is getting limited. So pataas ang inflation, ang prices, mga food, even water is getting, it's a basic right, water, air. Yan. Baka in the future oxygen is gonna get that's what's happening now. They're putting price on carbon, right? That's the air. So breathing air, it costs you more from mga liberal party, right? So I don't doesn't make sense. Why are you taxing for breathing the air? So why? That's a basic need. Basic needs not supposed to be taxed. So Canada is going sideways.
Oh no!
Right? So yeah, it's just carbon tax. They're just renaming it. Pagka nanalo yung mga liberal, it's gonna be a different form of carbon tax or air tax. So water, you can buy it, and then water, like filtration and everything, you still buy it for your own good, right? Pag sa city dwellings, may ano ka rin, may tax ka rin to clean the city water, right? So air is getting taxed in the form of carbon tax. So they're trying to get rid of gas and natural energy. I don't know. I heard na yung electric cars are there to depopulate, part of the agenda ng mga big elite, no? Dahil a battery, it's got frequency in it, so you're sitting on a material that has frequency.
Oh no!
It's like air radiation, radiation. So it's part of the agenda na for the population. Yan mga gusto ng mga sila Bill Gates, yan, mga elitist, sabi nila. So nga pala si Kai Soto, no? Ano pala ng Golden State yun, tinatry nilang i-draft, pero na-injured siya, so ano na, 6 to 9 months ACL tear, kagaya ng nangyari sa akin mga years ago. Inano ko nun, parang binutasan na 3 butasan ni binacuum kasi nga full of fluid, pero tinanggal na ata yung ACL ko. Kaya pagtanda ngayon nararamdaman ko na. So sometimes it's not advisable din ang surgery, no, unless na talagang ano ka, yung talagang ang tawag nun, i-monitor ka ng professionally. Kasi pagka surgery, sige, ito na gawin mo, take a painkiller and that's it, rehabilitate, go, you're on your own, right? So